Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. This is on the low that I'm bringing you all. And I went out again, got out from work, went out again to see if the deal was still going on with these Colgate dollar toothpaste, and they still going on. Let me show you. This time I got the triple action Colgate, and I got 3 of them. You know, they are $1 each. There's a $5 off of 3 that is attaching, and then you want to include things into your transaction so it can eat up that $2. So what I did was, I didn't want to go into the negative or anything. I went ahead and got a deal going on. So I picked up some Scott toilet paper, which is $3, a dollar digital coupon that is coming off. Then I went ahead and got the Tide Oxy that is, let me see, 31 ounce. They are $2.95. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. I'm sorry, y'all, that was somebody's car. You know, I am in my car, so I had to bring it to you all, let you know the deal is still going as far as my city that I'm in. So then the next thing is these Lysol to go. They are $1. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. Then the last thing I got was the big pencils. I was trying to get the big pens, but they was all out of it because there's a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Would make those free, but these are $1. These pencils that I got are $1.25. So it made them only 25 cents. Okay, so y'all need to get on out here and get these deals before, you know how Dollar General is. Honey, they will let you go for so long, then they will take it away. Just swipe it, and you'll be like, oh my goodness. But I did scan also in the store the $1.75 off Colgate, which is a little bigger than those. It's not giving you no overage. It's coming out free. If you can find those to see if they are attaching to the 5 off of 3. As far as the Colgate toothpaste, you might want to try those. It's not giving no overage. It's just straight out free to you. It's just straight out free. I just scanned it in the store on the, the cart just to see. Okay. So after he had rung me up and all my digitals came off, my subtotal, y'all, was $2.70. Yes, $2.70. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. There's the Scott, $3. The digital, the Bic, $1.25. The dollar store discount. Then there's the Lysol, $1.50 coming off. Then there's the Colgate. There's the Colgate Triple Action, $1. Then there's the $5 Colgate digital coupon. Another Colgate triple. So my $5 did come off. Then there is $1 off the Tide Simply. Then look at my subtotal, $2.70. Yes, $2.70. My total savings was $8.50. And then there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. All right, y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.